So, quick little update. Today, in transforming the land section of my channel, I had this old flower bed where my bird feeder had been, and I don't think last year I really planted it with any flowers. I know that the Bermuda grass got in there pretty bad, so this year I dug it all up and it will accept for the cement that I had that's been here. I think this is the third year. But I even broke some of it off and transplanted it other areas. But I have transplanted, and I hope they survive, but I transplanted some Swiss Chard and Collards that I had started from seed. I've never grown this before from seed, and we're going to try it. It's probably going to be chicken food, but who knows? I may end up liking Collards and Swiss Chard. But that's not all. I'm going to pause for a minute until I get you over to the other area. Okay, I've got some different flowers here, and I think that's a potato that's coming up from last year. I don't know, but behind here, I have planted some baby corn, and this nice mess right here is some biochar, chicken poo scraps. It smells nasty, but it should do the job. Excuse my weeds. I'd rather plant. I'll get my weeds later. This right here, I kind of loosened it up, or actually pretty much dug it up. I'd loosened it up last year with a pickaxe, but it wasn't really dug that deep. So today, while my husband is working on another project, I decided that I was going to, excuse me, the mosquitoes are bad from that liquid biochar stuff. But I decided I was going to dig this up and get my okra in. So I am about to stir this up, and I thought that I would show it to you before I do, but in probably about 10 minutes or so, my okra will be in the ground. So that is an update for today, and we will talk to you later. Bye.